Hi, in this lesson I'm going to discuss an important issue related to installation of TI Portal version 17, especially on Windows 11, or you might face that issue on Windows 10 as well, regarding .NET Framework 3.5. So it often asks once you start the setup of TI Portal version 17, if I click start, it will take some time to initialize, right? And if I click next over here, as you can see, it says please enable .NET 3.5. What you can do is go to Windows Features on and off, click over here, click OK, let Windows download the files for you. Keep your Windows Update on, make sure that. Obviously, you are going to face that issue if you are having a fresh Windows 10 or Windows 11. It is applying the changes and Windows completed the requested changes, right? If I go back, click next, as you can see, it has now come to the installation window. I already have this installed, but many of the students were facing such issues. So here's the solution. If for some reason you are unable to, enable it, if there are any errors automatically downloading it using Windows Update, you can manually download that as well and install it, right? So you are going to face this issue in Windows 11 as well. For any query, you can comment on the video. Thank you.